Today, guys, I got another siren. It's another Thunderbolt siren. The original video that I took for this was, yeah, I made, this is just a better video than the original. This is by the road, some neighborhoods, and this powerhouse, whatever it is. So I don't know if that was a wasp or not, but I jumped. Here's the box for it, and here's the proof that it's a Thunderbolt. Federal signal, Thunderbolt. This thing's old and rusty. This is the main box here. I don't remember the name of this box. I don't remember the name of these boxes either. If anybody can tell me, that would be nice. So I'm gonna walk over to show you the real siren. There it is. There's the Thunderbolt. It's probably Thunderbolt 1000T. I don't know what it is. I don't know what model it is, because there's more Thunderbolts out there than just the 1000T. But as you can see, this is not any 1003, since it doesn't have those two other boxes on the siren that make the high and low signal. But yeah, this one has the attack signal and alert signal. I don't know if it has like a quick little whatever signal. I forgot what the name of it was, but it went like, but it may go like it. I don't remember what the name of that signal is. But this one is always on its attack signal. In my city, we have a mix of Thunderbolt 1000Ts and Federal Signal 1002 to 1001 130s, and they're both on attack. They're usually on attack tone. Yeah, they're always on attack. They're never on any other tone, sadly. We do have another siren. It's not a Thunderbolt. It's not 2001 130 at all. It's I forgot what the model number is, but if you guys seen the second, tornado siren video, it looks like that one. But I don't remember the name of it. But there's nothing much to show you about this siren, since I already showed you everything. So I'll end the video here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys later. Bye.